Hi there, my name is Reagan Henke. This is a demonstration of my Markov Quartet generator. This program generates a string quartet from seed pieces that I've given it. It basically takes a standard MIDI file with 4 tracks and it algorithmically creates some probabilities to create a new piece in real time with 4 separate voices. It uses TouchOSC, the open sound control app, which lets me control things like tempo and volume of each of the 4 instruments here. Basically, there's 3 movements. The first is a learned piece from Ode to Joy, the second from Fur-Elise, and just for some variety, the third is Eleanor Rigby. So as the conductor in this sense, I can go ahead and start using this button. And the computer is set up to use, I believe, Simple Synth to generate the output from the MIDI that we're creating. So let's go ahead. And I can go ahead and turn up the volume on each of these parts. We've got violins. There we go. Violin 1, viola, and then 2 more. I guess they're cellos. So you'll notice that a lot of these notes are long. It's learned from Ode to Joy. So we have sort of similar structures. I can go ahead and speed it up or slow it down using that tempo controller as a conductor would. And that was movement 1, Ode to Joy. The next movement that it plays is Fur-Elise. So with Fur-Elise, we have a lot of different types of melodies, and you'll be able to hear those in this because it's generating Markov chains, first order Markov chains, to guess what the next note will be for each instrument. This one generally should be a little faster, so we can go ahead and speed up the tempo too. There's the classic Fur-Elise loop that I got into. The other thing we can do, we can change it to be pizzicato. So now all the notes are still happening, but they're not being held for any amount of time. And I can turn that on or off with this button because this is learning and generating in real time, so I can change it as it goes. The last movement is Eleanor Rigby. So there's a big tone shift in this one. These other 2 buttons, what they can do is, and what I'll show you here, this can jump one of our violins up an octave, and this can push our cello down an octave to give us some more variety. So if you listen to the cello in this piece, and I can slow down the tempo here, you can hear the low drone, and now we're back up to normal. Same thing with violin. There we go, now we have a violin popping up that octave. Let's put a pizzicato again just for some fun. And there we go. That's the end of this demonstration. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.